Hey guys, Dave Santarelli here from Breaking Chart Alerts. So I just wanted to do this trade analysis video. We made a few trades today. We came back strong. And first off, I just wanted to say I'm glad to be back. I really missed you guys. And I wanted to thank each and every one of you for all the messages, text, phone calls, Facebook posts, everything. You guys were really supportive of me through one of my most difficult times I've been through. So I wanted to thank you guys for that. That really meant a lot to me personally. And thank you again. God bless you all and thank you. So today was the first day back, and I just wanted to say we are back with a hell of a bang here. So we made a trade on Snapchat this morning back when it was around 24.30 a share. Since then, the stock has climbed to 25.40 a share. We ended up picking up the 24.25 vertical spread there, and we picked that up for 49 cents to be worth $1. So that's a max net gain there of 104%, over 104% max net gain if Snapchat's above $25 a share by Expo. Great trade there. Other trade here, FedEx. Take a look how FedEx for months here, it's been climbing, it's been holding that 10-day simple moving average, climbing, consolidating, and then having another big breakout, always holding that 10-day SMA on a daily chart here. Big climb, consolidated, another big breakout, consolidated back to the 10 and another breakout, and then it consolidated back to the 10 and we're having another nice climb here on FedEx. So look at that pop just now that just happened. Again, new highs here after market hours. It's looking great. We picked up the FedEx 245 call for the October 2nd Expo. We picked that up for $485 a contract. It's at $540 now, so we're up almost 9% on that trade alone. So nice job on that. We gave a trade idea on Walmart. Walmart's looking to be a really nice hook pattern here. That's a heck of a trade. We did 142, 145 vertical spread. Max net gain on that is well over 300%. I love the looks of that. It's looking great. We got a nice hook pattern forming. We have base support at 135 a share. We'll be looking for a target of about 142.50 to 145 from now until the November 20th Expo, or even from now until October 16th. I think it could hit that 142.50 area. So that's another one there we made. Take a look at Amazon. We ended up talking about Amazon this morning in our pre-market video. It got upgraded to $3,400 a share, had a big climb. It's at $31.29 a share now. We did the $31.95, $3,200 vertical spread trade idea. And guess what? That has a max net gain of 500% if Amazon gets to $3,200 a share or higher by this week's expiration. So all it needs to do, it was up 169 points today, up 5.69%, up 169 points. All it needs to do is climb less than half of that from now until Friday, and that trade's going to make a 500% return. So again, we gave a trade idea, the $31.95, $3,200 vertical call spread for Amazon this week's Expo. Max net gain of 500% on that. Love that setup. It's looking good. And you can see we had some nice breakout on tech today. Google's also up over 2%. Nice climb on Google. We ended up talking about quite a few trades, even EA Sports here. Take a look. We just got the MACD to cross on EA Sports. We got our first candle above the 10-day simple moving average for quite a while. It hasn't done that since, August. It hasn't done that in a month. So in a month, we've been trading below that 10-day simple moving average. Today we got our first climb, breakout, and again, we're looking towards the holiday cyclical trend. Same thing with Costco. I gave a few members a great trade idea on Costco that's been doing nothing but climbing there. I could have a short-term target of 350 on Costco, and then out to like October and November monthly, we could be looking at that 355 to 360 target on Costco. An out-of-the-money vertical spread on Costco would look great here. That could capture a 200-300% return on that quick move there as she's entering breakout momentum. So great job today, guys. Heck of a day to be back. And guess what? Nike just reported earnings. We were talking about Nike. Nike just got up to $128 a share. Nike is out with earnings, and what a beat on Nike. That stock is soaring here. Nike shares are trading higher after the company reported Q1 EPS of 95 cents, up from 86 cents a year ago. So even during COVID, Nike is increasing their EPS, their earnings per share, and increasing their revenue here as well. So they increased their EPS from 86 cents to 95 cents they just reported year over year, and better than expected Q1 sales report. So Nike shares are continuing to climb. Inventory rose 15% year over year, but decreased 9% quarter over quarter. Okay, and here's the awesome thing here about COVID-19. Nike's digital sales were up 82% since last year. That's a huge gain, guys. So their digital sales, their online sales, are up 82% compared to last year for Nike. That's amazing. Nike EPS 95 cents up from 86 cents year over year. They made $10.6 billion this quarter compared to the $9.12 billion they were estimating. So Nike ended up making $1.5 billion more than Wall Street was expecting. So that's a great sign for the economy, guys. Great sign for retail. I think we're going to see retail have a bounce from this quarter here from Nike that was just reported. And I think we're going to continue to see our retail stocks take off here as the holiday cyclical trend continues. So great job today, guys. I'm happy to be back, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hope everyone has a great day. Tesla shareholder meeting and battery day has just started, so I'm going to go watch that, and I will give you guys a pre-market video on that tomorrow morning. If you guys love our content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would greatly help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. Take care, guys. God bless. Stay safe, and have a great night. Bye-bye.